Don't want videos on X to autoplay when you are scrolling? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to disable video autoplay on X. Let's get started. First, open X. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to Accessibility, Display and Languages. Tap on Data Uses. Tap on Video Autoplay at the bottom. Here you can select Never. And that is how to disable video autoplay on X. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.